After Irene and I checked our luggage into the Bai Hotel in Mandawi, our friends picked us up in a van for about an hour drive up the Cebu Trans-Central Highway to our first stop at Sirao Flower Gardens, known as the Little Amsterdam of Cebu. Home to 20 varieties of flowering plants, its observation towers offer a bird's eye view of the entire area, creating a better perspective to see the lush meadows and stunning flower arrangements. Operating hours are 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily. Rates are children below 10 years old, 50 pesos. Adults, 100 pesos. Senior citizens and people with disabilities, 80 pesos.
한숨 같던 하루 끝 허기를 달래려 잠이 드는 아이들의 기도가 들려오네.
Then it was our next stop our next stop is the Circle, formerly known as Tops Lookout. The heart of Tops people know and love is now the Circle. The Circle at Tops is now even better with 5 stories of Cebu's latest dining and lifestyle options. It's a place to go for celebrations, romantic sunset dates, simple group outings with family and friends. Tops, a viewpoint in Busay Hills overlooking Cebu City and neighboring towns. Experience indoor and alfresco dining with our curated selection of restaurants and bars, featuring over 20 local and international options, including exclusive firsts in the Philippines and the world, from beloved Filipino dishes and globally acclaimed Chinese and Thai cuisine to comforting favorites like pizza, burgers, and desserts. We cater to every palate. Coffee date or a night out with friends, we got you. Come enjoy good food with the best view of Cebu in tops. Operating hours open 24 hours. Ticket prices, adults and with children above 2 years old, 100 pesos. Seniors and people with disabilities must present ID, 70 pesos. Children below 2 are free.
Link your arms to mine, heart to heart we try to be each other's light. May no lives be denied. Let our children smile. You're not
Our next stop is the Temple of Leah. Built in 2011, it was christened by some as Cebu's Taj Mahal. But what really is the realization of husband's promise to his wife on her deathbed. Teodoro Rico Soriano or Adarna had it built to become the repository of his better half, Leah Albino Adarna, collection of antiques, books, Chinese jars, and various objets d'art. Visiting hours are 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily. Entrance fee is 100 pesos per person. Children 10 years and younger are free. Parking fee is 100 pesos inside the premise. Free if outside, but limited slots only. Other fees, 2,500 pesos for professional photography for events.
사랑을 받았었던 추억들이 피어오르네. 그림자 없이 날 비추는 태양, 그 아래 우산 없이 그냥 꽉 또 잡고 있어. Rain. Yeah. 하염없이 비가 내려 두 뺨 위로 이렇게 맑은데 차라리 빗물이라고 불러대면 마음 편할 텐데. 그래 나도 언젠간 너처럼 다 잊을게. 처음부터 우린 없었던 일 환하게 웃을게. 비가 그치면
Our last stop of the day was Magellan's Cross. It's one of the most recognizable monuments in Cebu. Hundreds of locals and tourists visit the heritage site to pray or to witness religious icons for themselves. Even foreigners and locals from neighboring cities take the time to marvel at the monument, not to mention the murals painted in the ceiling within the kiosk. Wow, that was a lot of walking for a guy on crutches. But a short drive back to Bai Hotel for relaxation. Thank you for coming. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when my next video is uploaded. Take care and look out for my next video from the Philippines.